If you are a small service business owner trying to decide between GoHighLevel and HubSpot, I am going to save you a lot of time. Because this comparison sounds a lot closer than it actually is. Both platforms have a CRM, both have email marketing, both have automation, and if you just read the feature list side by side, you might think they are basically the same product at different price points. They are not. And picking the wrong one does not just cost you money, it costs you months of setup time, a learning curve you did not need, and a system that was never actually designed for how your business works. So let's fix that right now. Quick note before we dive in. I publish honest, no fluff breakdowns of AI and automation tools for small businesses right here on this channel. If that is the kind of content you are looking for, hit subscribe. Now let's talk about these two platforms and why they are more different than they look. Here's the core thing you need to understand going into this comparison. GoHighLevel and HubSpot are both powerful platforms, but they were built for fundamentally different buyers. GoHighLevel was built around one specific problem that destroys small service businesses every single day: leads coming in and nothing owning the follow-up. HubSpot was built to give enterprise marketing and sales teams a central operating system for complex, multi-touch buying cycles. Same category on paper, completely different design philosophy underneath. And that difference determines everything: the pricing model, the feature set, the learning curve, and whether the platform actually works for your business or just looks impressive in a demo. So let me start with GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform built specifically for service businesses and agencies. And I mean all-in-one in the most literal sense. Think about every tool you are currently paying for or have looked at to run your business. You have got a CRM for managing contacts and pipelines. You have got an email marketing tool like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign for follow-up sequences. You have got something like Calendly for booking appointments. You've got ClickFunnels or a similar tool for landing pages and lead capture. You have got a review management platform like BirdEye to request and manage Google reviews. And you have got SMS follow-up because email alone is not enough anymore. GoHighLevel replaces all of that. One platform, one subscription, one login. The entire system is designed around a single workflow. A lead comes in, the platform owns the follow-up automatically, books the appointment, sends the reminder, and requests the review after the job is done. No integrations required. No Zapier glue holding it together. It just works as one connected system from day one. Now HubSpot. HubSpot is one of the most recognized names in CRM and marketing software on the planet, and it has earned that reputation. It started as a marketing automation platform for B2B companies and expanded into a full suite covering CRM, marketing, sales, service, and operations. The free CRM is genuinely impressive. Clean interface, solid contact and deal management, easy onboarding, good reporting at the basic level. If you have never used a CRM before, HubSpot's free tier is one of the best places to start. But here's where the conversation gets critical for small business owners. The free CRM is a starting point, not a destination. The moment you need serious email automation, lead nurturing sequences, custom workflows, lead scoring, or advanced reporting, you are moving into paid tiers. And HubSpot's paid plans, especially the Marketing Hub, are priced for companies with dedicated marketing operations staff and budgets to match. That's not a criticism, it's just who the product was built for. And it's not the small service business owner watching this video. Let's talk about pricing, and I want to flag up front that both platforms update their pricing regularly, so always check the current numbers on their websites before you commit to anything. I will link both pricing pages in the description, but here's the structural difference that is not going to change regardless of what the exact numbers are when you watch this. GoHighLevel charges a flat monthly rate that gives you access to nearly everything on the platform. You are not unlocking automation at a higher tier. You are not paying per feature. The tools that run your business, the workflows, the SMS, the funnels, the booking system, they're all included. HubSpot works on a completely different model. The free CRM gets you in the door, but the features that actually automate your business and scale your marketing live behind paid plans that increase significantly as your contact list grows or as you add hubs. For most small service businesses running the numbers, honestly, GoHighLevel is not just cheaper, it is dramatically cheaper for what you actually get, and cheaper for more functionality, not less. Now let me show you what that difference looks like in a real workflow, because this is where it becomes impossible to ignore. Imagine a new lead fills out a contact form on your website at 10 p.m. on a Friday night. With GoHighLevel, the moment that form is submitted, an automated sequence fires immediately. The lead gets a text message within minutes. If they do not respond, a follow-up email goes out. If they do not book, a second touch goes out the next morning. A booking link is included in every message. When they book, the appointment confirmation goes automatically. The reminder goes automatically. After the job is done, the review request goes automatically. You didn't touch any of it. Now with HubSpot, to build that same workflow, you are looking at setting up sequences across multiple hubs, potentially integrating a separate SMS tool, and configuring automations that HubSpot's free tier simply does not support. It is possible, but it is not built for that use case the way GoHighLevel is. GoHighLevel's entire architecture assumes you're a service business that needs leads converted and followed up on without manual intervention. HubSpot's architecture assumes you have a team managing the process. Now I want to be fair here and tell you exactly who should not use GoHighLevel. If you are running a larger B2B sales operation with a dedicated sales team, complex multi-stage deal cycles, and a marketing operations person managing your tech stack, GoHighLevel is probably not the right fit. The reporting depth HubSpot offers at the enterprise level is genuinely more advanced. The integrations with tools like Salesforce, enterprise data platforms, and complex CRM configurations are more mature. GoHighLevel was not designed for that buyer, and if you try to force it into that context, you'll hit its limits. Know your use case before you choose your platform. Which brings me to where HubSpot genuinely wins. For established B2B companies with dedicated marketing and sales teams, HubSpot is world-class. The CRM customization is deep. The reporting gives you visibility that smaller platforms cannot match. The content and SEO tools inside HubSpot's Marketing Hub are excellent for companies running inbound marketing at scale. And if you're already embedded in the HubSpot ecosystem, using their CMS, their Service Hub, their operations tools, then staying in that ecosystem makes sense. HubSpot is a great product. It is just a great product for a very specific buyer that's probably not you if you're watching this channel. So here's my verdict, and I'm going to be direct about it. If you're a small service business, an agency, a contractor, a consultant, a local business owner, or anyone running a lean operation where leads need to be captured and followed up on automatically, GoHighLevel wins. And it's not close. The pricing model works for you. The feature set was designed for you. The automation runs the way your business actually operates. HubSpot is exceptional software, but it is exceptional software for a different company at a different stage with a different budget. Choosing HubSpot as a small service business because the brand name is familiar is an expensive mistake you don't need to make. GoHighLevel lets you start winning immediately without an enterprise IT department to configure it. If you want to try GoHighLevel, there is a free trial link in the description. I will put it right at the top so you don't have to hunt for it. And if you want to go deeper on the platform before you commit, my full GoHighLevel review is linked right here. I walk through the entire platform inside so you can see exactly what you're getting. I'll see you in that one.